Okay, so this is the recording device I'd like you to use while you're recording your speaking exam on your respective days. So I'd just like to I'd just like you to familiarize yourself with it before you start using it. So it's very simple actually, but it's just one thing you should remember. Okay, here's a power on and off button. So the power is now on. It takes a few seconds to load up, and then you're ready to roll. So what you do basically is you press the record button here, leave it on the table for the whole duration of the exam, you as an interlocutor, and then leave it on the table, you as an assessor. And then when you've finished recording, so you press this, when you finish recording, press this again, okay? And then wait a second, and then only then power off. Because if you press, I'll just warn you, if you press record and you've recorded your speaking test and then you go and press power off, it isn't saved, which is a bind. So basically one more time. So power on, record, put it on the desk for the duration of the 2 exams, and then record again, wait a second, and then power off. Okay, then good luck in your exams, and I'll see you on Sunday anyway, and we can go through this video, or you can, if you've got any questions, you can ask me. Bye.